Hello students, good afternoon and welcome to our math class. Our lesson today will be on money. We all like money, and I know that as young as you are, you also like money, and everybody is using money every day. When you come to school, you buy things. When you go to Macro, you go to Eon, you go to Pizza Company, and you go to the local market, you are using money everywhere, okay? So we are going to learn some key words about money and going shopping. So let's open to page 32 of our book. So when we open to page 32, we see our heading there as shopping. So shopping means that you go out of your house and you go to where products are sold, and either you buy them or you do what we call window shopping. That means you just ask for prices and look for items. When you have money, your money can be in a paper form or it can be in a metallic form. That means it can be in a form of metal. When you turn to your page, the kind of money that you see there are in the form of coins. So coins are the metal forms of money that is being used. However, I have not seen coins in Cambodia. I'm quite sure you don't have coins in your currency or in your money, but if you go to my country or you go to some other countries, you'll find coins over there, which some of you might have seen them, okay? So basically it looks round like this, and it's in the form of metal, and it comes with either kind of drawings depending on which country that it's coming from, which I'm going to post some samples to you through the group as we meet and discuss them as well. But for now, what we're going to do is that we're going to go through some keywords that will help us to understand every activity that we need to do in this lesson. So first of all, we need to understand what money is. So money is something that is generally accepted as a medium. So when you say a medium, it means as a means, okay, of exchange or a measure of values. That means when I want to buy this marker, I need to use money, okay? So the money will measure the value of this marker, and then I give money to the seller, and the seller will give me this marker. Or means of payment, okay? So it means that we use money to make payments. Payments means you are giving to the seller, and then you get the product, or you get the item, or you get the service back as you want. An example of money that we can say will be the US dollar that most of you are familiar with, or we can say the local currency, that is the real, okay? So when we go to shop or when we go shopping, we see price tags, okay? So this is what we call the price tags. These are small flyers attached to the products that we want to buy, and it comes with the price, the amount of price that we need to pay. So a price is the cost at which something is obtained. So that is the price at which it's being sold. So if they are selling this marker as $1 becomes the price that I need to pay before I can have this marker for myself. So what is the cost? So the cost is the amount or equivalent paid or charged for something, okay? So the price of the pen is the same as the cost of the pen, how much I need to pay before I get that particular pen to myself. So when you are okay with the price and the cost, and you have the money with you, and you giving the money to the seller and having the product is what we call buy. So that means the acquire or to get something by payment. Once you pay and you get a product to yourself, it means that you are buying. Coin is the metal money. So that means coin is a metal money, as I told you earlier on. Amount is to reach a total, okay, so to reach a total means it's the amount that we are talking about. So amount, price, and cost are kind of related, and for you to understand them, okay? So on your first activity on this section, what we're going to do is that we are going shopping. And going shopping, this is the money that we have. We have 1 cent, 2 cents, 5 cents, and that of 10 cents. So we're going to buy an album, a football, teddy bear, toy truck, and then there's another doll here, and then there's another toy train here. So what you need to do is that you need to add up this money to be equal, okay? You need to add them to the amounts that you are seeing here. So now you understand amounts, okay? So that means you need to add them up. So the amounts that you need to add them up to get what you want. So you do that and then you send to me over here. And then afterwards, I post the second video and then we'll continue our lesson from the second video. So I'll see you. Yeah. Hello students, welcome back to our second episode. On this video, I want you to turn to page 32 of your textbook, the challenge book section, okay? So that is the last part, the end part of your textbook. That's the challenge book. So you open at page 32. So we're going to look at some coin grades, okay? So this is what we have there. So these are coins that are put together in a form of rows and column, okay? So we know that coins are metal money that we have. So these are the metal monies that we have. What I need you to do is that I want you to add what you see here, okay? So we are adding up our coins to get the total amount that we have. So these are in cents. So you add what is here and then you put the answer here. You add what is here and then you put the answer also over here. When you have finished with what you have here, these are the 3 boxes. Now your second activity is for you to make up your own coins, okay? So you make up your own coins here and then you add them and then you put the answers over there as you did for the first 3 grades, okay? I hope that you understand this one and then you have 100% answers correct, okay? So this is your second activity. When you finish, we'll meet in our last video. Okay students, welcome back to our final video. So our lesson has been on money, and we have learned that money, it's something that can be used as a medium of exchange, and it can be used as a measure of value of an items, and it's also a means of payment. So these 3 things, don't forget them: medium of exchange, measure of value, and means of payment. Okay, that is what we use money for. We also understood that price is the cost at which something can be obtained or is obtained. So if you want to get something, it means that you need to pay a price before that particular item or object could be given to you, or you could obtain it. It needs to come at a cost. So a cost is the amount or the equivalent paid or charged for something. That means it comes with a cost as well. We learned that when you give money out and you take the product in, it means that you are buying. That is buying. Coin is a metal money. It normally comes in a round or in a kind of circular shape, which I posted some images to you through the group for you to see them. Although some of you might have seen real coins in real life before. You have your homework being posted to you as you finish watching this video. I'd like to say thank you for joining this section and hope to see you again next week. Goodbye.